So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic Constitutional Developments in Nigeria. So in short, stay to the end of this video. Let's go ahead and answer the question here. It says, the Action Group Crisis of 1963 led to the formation of A. UPP, B. NEPU, C. NPC, D. NCNC. So guys, the answer to this question is UPP. That's the United Progressive Party, and that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.